Many of us want to reap the benefits of a healthy gut because we know it contributes to overall health. But there's so much science to digest. Let's start with what we actually mean by good gut health. Research around gut health is still evolving, but what we do know is that the type and amount of diversity of bugs living in our gut is a good marker for gut health. The gut microbiota is the community of microbes living in our gut, often referred to as the gut flora or the gut bugs. Research suggests that there are some types of bacteria that are associated with good health, or the good bacteria, and others that are associated with poor health or certain disease states, often referred to as the not so healthy bacteria. There are many lifestyle factors that may affect gut bacteria because our gut microbiomes are as unique as us, just like our fingerprints. Lifestyle factors that may impact gut health include how much sleep and exercise we're getting, stress, medications, other illness or disease, and our regular dietary pattern. And the really good news is that what we eat is one of the biggest factors that may improve gut health, specifically by increasing gut bacteria diversity. This means crowding your meals with lots of colourful plant foods like vegetables, legumes, fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods are high in fibre, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and polyphenols. Variety is important because different bacteria like feeding on different plant foods. For example, you may choose to fill your plate with broccoli and carrots, which means you'll be feeding the bacteria that like broccoli and carrots. If you don't include other plant foods like chickpeas or mushrooms, it may mean starving other bacteria that like those particular foods. So, by introducing more variety in your diet, you help to support greater diversity in your gut microbiome. You can use our Ways to 30 Plants in 7 days to guide you through this. Let's talk about processed foods. Highly processed foods that are high in sugar, salt, and saturated fat are linked with the not so healthy bacteria. So it's important to be mindful of these types of foods. Examples of highly processed foods include soft drink, chips, biscuits, white bread, and crackers. On the other hand, fermented foods like yogurt and kefir that contain probiotics may further support gut health by introducing good bacteria strains to your gut microbiome. And one last important tip, keep up your water intake to help with digestion and to accompany the extra fibre you may be consuming. Water intake will be different for everyone, but a really good guide is around 10 cups per day. Thanks for watching. If you have any concerns about your gut health, it's best to see a healthcare professional so they can help you with your individual needs. Like this video if you want to hear more on gut health and post your questions in the comments below. Want to move a little more? Maybe eat a little better or be a bit more mindful? We've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified when new videos are released.